we will witness how cows are slaughtered in a meat factory. You won't believe your eyes when you watch this video. A cow meat processing factory equipped with the most advanced technology and with the highest level of hygiene standards. Everything here is done with incredible precision and care. I will tell you what is happening in the camel milk factory with incredible details and shocking moments. Thanks to modern technologies, camels are handled in the most comfortable way possible. After the milking process is completed, the processing of the milk begins. The machines here work like works of art. In seconds, the milk is cooled, pasteurized, and packaged. Have you ever wondered what goes on in a camel meat factory? Now, we will discover with you a factory that pushes the limits of modern technology. Now sit back and let's watch this amazing process together. The cutting process is truly incredible. Thanks to the high technology used in this factory, the cutting process is carried out with incredible speed and precision. Thanks to electronic stunning and modern cutting machines, the process takes just a few seconds. This technology is absolutely fascinating. Huge rabbit meat factory. Everything in this factory works with incredible order and precision. When the rabbits arrive at the factory, a comfortable and calm environment awaits them. Thanks to modern techniques, rabbits are handled stress-free. This is of great importance for both the welfare of the animals and the quality of the meat. Have you ever thought about how shark meat is produced? When the sharks arrive at the factory, they are handled with care and attention. The cutting process is truly breathtaking. The advanced technology used in the factory carries out the cutting process with incredible speed and precision. I will explain in incredible detail and shocking moments how quail eggs are processed in the factory. Get ready, because this video will dazzle and blow your mind. When the quail eggs reach the factory, they are processed with care and attention. This process ensures that eggs are processed with the least damage and highest efficiency. Have you ever wondered how corn gets from the field to the factory and eventually into the cans? The processing process is truly incredible. The advanced technology used in the factory processes corn with great speed and precision. Corns are sorted, washed, and cut. This process is completed in seconds and preserves the freshness of the corn. This technology is truly fascinating. Have you ever wondered how those delicious chips you see on the supermarket shelves are made? Here, we will explore these processes step by step. Everything here is equipped with the latest technology. Innovative methods used at every step make the production process incredibly efficient. When the potatoes reach the factory, they are handled with care. At this stage, the freshness of the potatoes is preserved and the best quality ones are selected. Thanks to modern equipment and careful planning, every step is carried out meticulously. Now, it's time to discover the details. Our next stop is the huge Lindt factory. The highest quality cocoa beans are carefully selected and brought to the factory. The production process is truly incredible. Cocoa beans are ground and turned into chocolate mass. Tomatoes collected from the fields are processed as soon as they are brought to the factory. Thanks to modern machinery and careful planning, the freshness and quality of the tomatoes are maintained. Every step is carried out meticulously. Now it's time to discover the details. The machining process is truly breathtaking. The high-tech machines used in the factory process tomatoes with great speed and precision. Tomatoes are washed, sorted, and prepared for processing. This process only takes a few seconds and preserves the freshness of the tomatoes. Incredible, isn't it? Get ready, because this video will dazzle and blow your mind. When the materials required for protein bars arrive at the factory, they are processed immediately. Each material is carefully selected and quality controlled. Thanks to modern equipment and careful planning, every step is carried out meticulously. After the bars are shaped, they move on to the coating stage. At this stage, each bar is carefully coated with chocolate. We take you to a fascinating factory where protein powders, indispensable for athletes, are produced. Everything here is equipped with the latest technology. Innovative methods used at every stage of the production process ensure that powders are produced in the highest quality and most effective way. Let's start this fascinating journey. The processing process is truly breathtaking. The high-tech machines used in the factory process raw materials with great speed and precision. The proteins are carefully dried and ground into powder. This process only takes a few minutes and preserves the quality of the powders.